So today I want to talk to you a little bit about the power of choosing. When we make judgments or conclusions or make decisions or computations, we stop molecules from moving. When we choose something, we activate the movement of molecules. So what I want you to do is think about a goal that you have, write it on the top of the piece of paper. And on that piece of paper, I want you to list as many things as possible that you need to choose to make sure that the molecules are moving you towards that goal, or actually more accurately, that it's moving the goal towards you being achieved. So for example, I am working on some pain in my neck right now. So I am choosing health. I'm choosing flexibility and mobility. You always want to focus on what it is that you desire, not on what you don't want. All right? So I'm choosing flexibility and mobility. I'm choosing ease and joy in my neck. I'm choosing my neck to be an ally in my life. I'm choosing my neck to be a source of joy. I am choosing for all the modalities that I'm using to be very beneficial and effective. I am choosing cellular renewal. I am choosing bone health. I am choosing joint health in my neck and throughout my spine. I am choosing vitality and energy. I am choosing comfort and ease working on the computer. You see what I'm doing? You want to come at it from every angle possible so that you are leaving no stone unturned as to what the universe is clearly going to bring you when you choose something and you start moving molecules. So I had been doing a lot of work on getting this neck to start improving, and it wasn't really moving the way I thought it should given all the things that I was doing. So I asked Truth being an ally, a friend, a consciousness that I work with, and I said, hey, Truth, like she's sitting right next to me, my Truth. I said, hey, Truth, have I chosen my neck to heal? And it was like, nope. Oh, wow, no wonder that nothing was going on as far as shifting things significantly. I hadn't chosen for my neck to heal, so I choose my neck to heal. I want Truth, my Truth, the consciousness of my Truth, to hear me state what I, in no uncertain terms, choose, so that it can be very clear in starting to move the molecules to start to create a change and a transformation, because my internal landscape was not reflecting a transformation in my neck. My external experience or landscape was not reflecting that. So I want you to get really clear about what is your goal. What do you need to choose to make sure that the universe hears you in no uncertain terms, that you are ready for a transformation to take place? List as many things as possible, and then every day read them and say, I choose, I choose, I choose, I choose, so you're very, very clear with the universe of what it is that you desire.